Strangely and sadly enough, a large part of the Filipino population has reading and comprehension skills that leave so much to be desired. A status quo of learning the president finds so alarming, he issued a directive for a reading and comprehension program that is beginning to yield results by way of a Tara Basa scheme, as our Isaiah Mirafuentes dwells on in this report.
It may be painful to accept, but the Philippines still lags behind in terms of reading comprehension among the youth. Based on the assessment of the Program for International Student Assessment, or PISA, the Philippines was in 79th place in 2018. It slightly improved to 76th place in 2022. But if you look at it, it is still low. Because of this, even the president was alarmed. In 2024, President Marcos declared it as a flagship program, the Executive Order Number 76, Series of 2024, or the Tara Basa Tutoring Program.
Maraming salamat po sa iyo sa Tara Basa. Ngayon po, nakakabasa na po ako.
At the University of Makati in Taguig City, President Marcos witnessed how effective this program is. Through this, parents are also given the opportunity to be guides for their children in reading. This program also gives the government the opportunity to teach parents the right way to teach their children how to read.
You have now become our partners in our advocacy against illiteracy. You have demonstrated your readiness to help today in building a brighter future for these kids.
This also includes teaching college students to become tutors for children so that they can also have a source of income. For the President, this is a good program to improve the quality of education in the country.
Hindi na maikaila na ang pagbabasa ay pundasyon ng kaalaman at ng pag-uunlad. At sa tulong ng programang ito, kasama na ang Academic Recovery Program ng DepEd, panatag ako na mapupunan natin ang mga naging pagkukulang.
The youth are hope of the nation. That is why it should always a priority to help them become more effective in using the skills as they grow and reach their dreams. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.